Hello students, I hope you all have completed your exercise 13.1. Today we will start 13.2, trial and error method. What is trial and error method? Understand it, okay? Just to recall that in exercise 13.1 we have done that some questions was there in which you have to check whether the value given in the bracket was the solution of the equation or not. Okay, in that exercise 13.1 solution was given and you had to only check whether it is a solution or not. In this what we were doing, LHS side is equal to RHS side or not. If it is equal, then yes, this is a solution, otherwise it was not the solution. But in this trial and error method, you will not get the solution. In this you have to find out the solution by trial and error method. How? You can see there is no value given in the bracket, but you have to find out the one value by which LHS side will be equal to the RHS side. Okay. So first of all, which value you will take? If the value of P will be equal to 1, then whether LHS will be equal to RHS, we have to check this. Let's see, P is equal to 1 we are taking. So 5 into, in place of P, we will put what? 1. Left hand side is this. 5 into 1 plus 2. 5 1 ja 5 plus 2, we will get here 7. But RHS is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not the solution. Now again we have to try. That's why it is said trial and error. We have to try and find out. Suppose P is equal to 2. Then put the value of P will be 2. So 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 will be equal to 12. 12 is not equal to RHS. So this is also not the solution of this equation. Let's try. Suppose P is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 2 will be equal to 17. Yes, this is equal to RHS because RHS is also 17. So P is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Understood the way? You have to try out and find out the value. See the exercise question number 1. Okay. Question number 1. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. First number, 2p minus 3 is equal to 15. We will write here 2p minus 3 is equal to 15. Now you have to find the solution of this. So first of all we will take p is equal to 1. Is it coming? 2 into 1 minus 3 will be equal to what? 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus 1. It is very less than 15. It is not equal to 15. So P is equal to 1 cannot be the solution of this. Like this we will try out P is equal to 3. You can take P is equal to 6. Suppose P is equal to 6 we are taking. So 2 into 6 minus 3. 6 2 ja 12 minus 3 will be equal to 9. Which is also not equal to this RHS. So P value what you will take so that this side will be equal to this side. So I think if you will take, let's see, P into what? So that you will minus 3, it will be equal to 15. 2 into 9 if you will do, see, 9 2 ja 18. 18 minus 3 will be equal to 15. So if you will take P is equal to 9, then which is equal to 15, that is equal to RHS. So P is equal to 9 is the solution of this equation. Understood? So in this way you can do all these questions. 14 you have to get. Now tell me, this side is RHS is 14 and here is also 14 and here is 3x. So what value of x you will take so that this side also it will come 14. You can see 14 is already there. So definitely this term will be equal to 0. Then only LHS will be equal to RHS. So if you will take x is equal to 0, then 3 zeros are 0. And plus 14, you will get 14 only, and 14 is RHS. So x solution will be 0. Okay, in this manner you have to do this also and this also. Try out. Now one more topic you have to study in this exercise, that how to solve this kind of equation. Solve means you have to get the value of m. You have to find out, means find out the value from this equation. But the steps you have to follow like this. Okay. First of all, you have to find out the value of m. So m you have to place this side alone. So how m will be alone here? There is 6 with it. So you will have to remove this 6 to make this m alone. So how you will remove 6 from here? So you know, in equation, if we multiply this side, then we will have to multiply any number this side also, same number both side. If we are dividing this side any number, then we will have to divide this side also. If you are adding, then you have to add this side also. If you are subtracting, then you will have to subtract the same number this side also. Then the equation value will not change, because by this the equation will not be affected. Understood? So you have to remove m from here. So what we will do? Divide both side by 6. Let's see what will happen if we will divide both side by 6. This side also, this side also. Then 6 will get cancelled. We will get alone m here. And 6 3s are 18. M is equal to 3, means m, we have solved this equation to find out the value of m. M value will be equal to 3. Okay, you can check it also. If you will put here 3, 6 3s are 18, which is equal to RHS. Understood? Similarly, one more question, see, to understand better. You have to find out the value of n. Now what you will do to make n here alone, because you have to find its value. Here is 2 also and here is 3. So first of all we will remove this minus 2. So to remove this minus 2, we can add here 1 2. So if we are adding any number this side, we will have to add this same number this side also to balance the equation. Okay. So why we are adding, but this side plus 2, so that this minus plus minus, it will get cancelled and we can remove this 2 easily. But this side 25 plus 2 will be equal to 27. Now you have to remove this 3 also. So what we will do? Divide both side by 3. So 3n by 3 will be equal to 27. This side also you will have to divide. So 3 will get cancelled. N is equal to 3 9s are 27. We will get the value of n 9. Understood? So whatever steps you are taking, you have to write. Here as I have written, divide both side by 6. Here we have not written the step. You should write here. Add both side 2. Okay? Steps is must to write. Now exercise 13.2, question number 2. Write the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. You have to separate this variable and you have to write the equation, means steps also. How you will separate the variable? Separate the variable means solve this equation. First question, let's see. Question is y plus 4 is equal to 6. You have to get the value of y. So I have told you what? You have to make the y alone this side, but here is 4 added. So what you will do to remove 4 from here? We will minus 4. But if you are subtracting any number this side, then you will have to subtract the same number this side also to maintain the equality of equation. Now plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. Y is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. 2 is the answer. Understood? I hope it is clear. Question number 2, D number. X by 2 is equal to 8. But steps is necessary to write. Okay. I forgot to write the step. You have to write. What we will write here? Subtract 4 both side. Okay. Similarly, x by 2 is equal to 8. Now you have to get the value of x. But here is 2. 2 is in divide. So what you will do here, to remove 2. How you can remove 2? If this 2 will get cancelled, then you can remove 2. So what we will do here? We will multiply both side by 2. So let's see what will happen. If you will multiply this side 2 and if you will multiply this side also 2, then 2 will get cancelled. X is equal to 8 2 16. We will get the value of x 16. Understood? Similarly, question number 3. Let's see question number 3. Okay, A number. 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 10. So here is bracket. So what you will do first to make this x alone? You will have to remove this 1 also and you will have to remove this 2 also. So you can do one thing, that first of all we will divide both side by 2. Let's see what happen. What will happen? Here also I have divided by 2. Here also I have divided by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. We will get x minus 1 and here 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now still x is not alone. So tell me what you will do to make x alone. Here is minus 1. You have to remove this minus 1. So if you will do here plus 1, then minus plus will get cancelled. So add both side plus 1. Both side we will add 1. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Here also I have added. Here also I have added. Now minus plus will get cancelled. X is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. X is alone, so its value is 6. Understood? So steps is necessary to write whatever you are going to do. I hope you are feeling easy. Any confusion you can ask me. Okay. Let's see one more question. Question number 3, C number. X by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So you have to remove this 2 also and you have to remove this half also. So plus 1 you remove first. So subtract both side. Half we will subtract both side. Then what will happen? Minus half. This side also we will subtract half. Why we have done minus half here? So that this will get cancelled. Now we have x by 2 is equal to 1 minus half will be equal to half. Okay. So x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now x, you have to remove this 2. So what we will do? Multiply both side by 2. So if you will multiply both side by 2, then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We will get x, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We will get 1. So x value is equal to 1. I hope it is clear. Remember one thing, that whatever value you have to find, that variable you have to leave alone this side. Okay. Now question number 4, solve the following equation. In this, no need to write the steps, but in these questions you have to write the step. Okay. So solve 13.2. Next exercise next day. Any confusion you can ask me in the group.